Yeah.
Does it look special?
67 Oldsmobile Toronado, Jay Leno car. Too bad they got rid of Oldsmobile because the damn bean counters freaking screwed them up. You know what I mean? They just, you know what I'm talking about. The bean counter said, "Oh, it's smarter to get rid of this brand and Pontiac." And you look at these cars, 67, no CAD/CAM computers being drafted on a paper drafting board with pencils and stuff, sketching this out, making it up with model clay before they go to the tooling. No robotics involved. And look at the styling on this thing. It's got the front wheel drive, big engine, I don't know, 450 something. John, was it a 455 in this thing? Dual exhaust, loads of power, loads of torque. Basically a beast, man. These things would be around forever if they were not rusted out. It's 99% of the problem with all these cars, man, rust. But you know, obviously this one don't have a rust problem. It's here in sunny Florida. No rain today, even though they forecast rain. So look at the style on that thing. Even the way the bumper comes and integrated into the fender, how the fender comes to a point like that. It's all, you know, it's even like the wheel wells sculpted out.
I gotta get some more ice cubes, man.